And this is one way to prank your big brother, okay? So I snuck in a cup and I filled it with a little bit of water. Okay, so then I'm gonna put it in his bed, and then I'm gonna wake him up. Okay, then carefully, please. And then Tyler, I think you wet the bed. You wet the bed! Oh. Mom! Dad! Tyler wet the bed! Oh. Tyler wet the bed! Tyler wet the bed!
Jacob!
What? You wet the bed!
How could you?
How could I what?
How could you?